Hello lovelies, welcome back to another video. Today's video, as you guys can see, is the Hermes unpacking my first ever Hermes purchase. And yes, I'm so excited to show you guys what I got from there. Sorry, my phone almost fell. I've already unpacked it, so yeah, I tried it. I went to collect it on the store, so I tried it over there and it just fit me perfectly. So yes, in this one they have the receipts, and this is just literally I opened it, so I already know that this is literally just this. There's nothing inside, as you guys can see. Nothing really inside, but still cute. And the item of the day. It's a shoe, specifically it's a Chypre sandal, and in black as well. So probably I just have to give you guys like a story time of how I found this one. So I actually noticed that, because normally every now and then I used to double check if they have it online, and I noticed one day that they had like certain colors used to come up, or sometimes some things that were sold out all of a sudden came back. So I was like, this week I decided, hey, let me double check, just refresh in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, just to double check whenever I have time in between work, after work, or you know. So I was at the office, literally starting my break, and I was like, let me try and refresh it. First, before I even refresh it, I logged in. I was like, just sign in, you know. What was again, refresh it and let's see. I refresh it and I found the black one in a size 4. I was literally like, they actually had size 3, if I remember correctly, 3.5 and a size 4. So, and what was again, normally I wear in sandals a 4. But I actually do think that because I went there and I tried at loafer, I'm going to post a short video about it. I tried the 4, which was actually too big, and I tried 3.5, which was perfect. And I know that normally Chanel doesn't do half sizes, so that's why I haven't been able to actually buy any espadrilles from Chanel because of that, because 3 is too small and 4 has been too big. But yeah, so I bought the 4, and then I started thinking perhaps I should have taken the 3.5, but this still fits me perfectly. But I think next time I would buy 3.5. But yes, but I did get a black one, and I'm gonna try and get the suede one, the one that has brown suede in 3.5. This is so gorgeous. Look at this. It has Hermes, as I said, written over there, and then over here, and also in the back. It's gorgeous. When I went to pick it up, because when you make the order, it gives you an option, or either you can get it delivered at home, or you can get it delivered at your local or nearest Hermes store. And I wanted to the nearest store because sometimes, you know, this, you know, anybody that lives in London or UK in general probably know that when you order something, you know, they might tell you at times on when they're coming, and then, you know, they barely even knock the door, and you might even be at home, they barely knock the door, or they don't want to ring the doorbell, and you think that the delivery didn't come or something, and then you just see a note that, hey, we tried knocking the door, or blah blah blah, nobody was at home. So that pisses me off. So I was like, I'm not gonna take any chances, because this is quite expensive. So I was like, let me go to the put it so it goes to the nearest store, and also get that proper first Hermes experience as well. So I went to collect it over there, and the guy that actually served me, he actually said to me that you're very lucky to have been able to actually find this one in the black as well, especially the classic color, because he said that is really hard to get in the store, and the best chances you actually have is trying to order online. So lucky me. But I do also understand that when you order online, it's different stock than what they have in the store. So I'm not creating you know, purchase history with the Hermes in London. I'm actually creating, I guess, online, which is quite annoying because I do want one day to buy like a Evelyn 16, or Picatin 18, or a Constance 18. Like you guys can see, I love small bags. And I do want one day also to buy a Kelly 25 and a mini. Let's see. I think if my boyfriend's watching this, he's probably going to be making faces like, this girl is literally shopping. But yeah, so yeah, I'm so happy. This is gorgeous. I feel like literally one of the luckiest girls to actually be able to get the shoes that I've been wanting for ages, and finally it's mine. Like, I couldn't even sleep that day when they finally sent me a notification that it's ready for collection. I couldn't sleep. I think I woke up at 5 a.m. The store opens at 10:30, and I was in the store around 2:30. So the whole time, even though I couldn't sleep, I still stayed in bed because I was like, no, don't be the first person there because it's gonna make you look crazy. But the guy did say that if I wanted any chance in the back, I should have been first, you know, just waiting, queuing in the morning, because he said that in Saturday morning there was like lots of people queuing before 10:30, before they even open. There was like a long queue, so it was like, always make sure to come early in the morning. And then another person did say that they normally do not get stocks on the weekend, so for higher chance for me to get anything is to actually go during the weekdays and early in the morning when they open. And yeah, I know majority of us are always at work, but I guess getting paid or unpaid leave or sick leave, I'm just saying. But yeah, I'm so happy. I hope that you guys like this video, and I hope I wasn't, you know, talking too much and gave some good advices over there. And yes, but yeah, this is my shoes. I'm so happy. I love it. Oh my god, can't wait for the next one. I'm literally already planning of what my next purchase is going to be, but I have to take a break because I am buying myself something small for my birthday at the end of November, so I need to calm down a little bit. But at least I'm very happy that I can end 2023 with sandals that I've been wanting for ages, and my first ever Hermes purchase. I am very happy. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and looking forward to having you guys join me again at the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.